Hello, welcome to um Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is for water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. Take only what resonates, guys. This is for water sign. Meron tayong special channel for water sign ha, Water Sign Philippines. Please do check it out. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Paki-search na lang po siya. Unicorn Princess Tarot, yun yung aking TikTok. Feel free to check it out. Water sign. Yeah, that's you, water sign. 10 of Cups. 3 of Wands. Oh, wow. Someone is really missing you. This could be a family member, maybe, or a person na may love interest sa'yo. Miss na miss ka na itong taon to. For some of you, it's not love reading. Pwedeng a family member. Maybe with the King of Swords, may energy itong taong ito as someone na cold, maybe, or maybe someone who is professional, kung hindi man someone na very cold, mataas ang ego, someone na medyo, may attitude. May attitude. And for some of you, this could be may kinalaman sa love. So, I cannot tell. Definitely, ang person ito, I don't know kung ikaw ito, or yung person na ito, ang may some sort of peklat. May nakikita kong peklat. At etong peklat na to ay pahaba. So, ang itsura ng peklat is parang pakalmot na style. Parang pahaba siya na maybe 2 to 3 lines na parang line lang na gano'n. So, this could be you or yung person na tinutukoy natin dito. Well, I cannot tell talaga kung may love interest or what. Pero, nakakita ko dito ng plano mula dito sa person na ito na parang sa ngayon nag-iisip na siya ano kaya magandang ibigay sa'yo. No? So, this person, or kung ito ay family member, the energy is vice versa. Ano kayang matatanggap ko? Ano kayang ibibigay? Etc. Mga ganun. But anyway, this person miss you a lot. Nakita ko na pagpaplano mula sa kanya. And, kung ito ay family related, maybe gusto niya rin marinig ko ano yung plano mo. Tell me more for water sign, please. Ano yung emotions nitong taong ito towards water sign? Yeah, the 3 of Cups. Maraming cards yung lumabas actually. Maraming cards, but I feel like mga messages ito, so I will take this. You do have the Justice card, the Sun, the 2 of Wands, the Ace of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Ace of Pentacles. With the 3 of Cups, gusto niyang magkaroon ng pagkikita, reconciliation. This person wants to see you in person. Gusto ka niyang makita ng personal. Maybe gusto niyang mag-travel to see you, or gusto niyang ikaw ito na mag-travel para makita siya, no? kahit alin man doon. But I can see a pagta-travel na energy with the Chariot. And this person wants to build a partnership or relationship sa'yo. Gusto niya ng, kung may kinalaman sa sa love, I feel like ito person na to is manifesting you. Gusto niyang magkaroon ng relationship, partnership sa inyong dalawa. I don't know. I can see, I can feel a Virgo, Gemini energy. Yeah, Sagittarius energy. Libra. And sa nakikita natin dito, or maybe gusto niya rin mag-get out sa situation niya ngayon. So, hindi siya masaya sa situation niya. Etong person na to wants to see you kasi feeling niya mas magiging maganda yung sitwasyon niya pag nandyan ka. This person sees you as someone na maraming kayang i-offer. Maybe nakikita ka niya, nararamdaman niya, you do have a lot of money, you have a lot of things to offer, and etong person na ito is nagpaplano na siyang maging masaya kasama ka. Gusto niya ng something with you. This person with the Fool sees you as someone na may marriage potential. Kung ito na may walang kinalaman sa love, and maybe this person is a person na pwedeng maybe a family, nakikita ka niya as someone, or a family member or relatives energy, nakikita ka niya as someone na dyan sa lugar mo may oportunidad. Okay, and maybe kung ito medyo hihimay-himayin natin kasi iba-iba yung message. Kung ikaw ito na minamanifest niya na makapag-travel papunta sa kanya, iniisip niya na magkakaroon ng mas masayang pagsasama sa inyong dalawa, like panatag ang loob niya, parang ganon. And I feel like gusto niya ng may makakasama, yun lang, and ikaw yun. This person is happy na you are happy, na you have everything, pero gusto niya maging parte noon. Okay? So, all in all, gusto makipag-reconcile itong taon to. In the near future, what is the message for our water sign? Near future messages for water sign, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Three of Cups, the Tower, the Emperor, Two of Pentacles, the Magician is at the bottom of the deck, and also the Ten of Swords. Well, in the near future, something is going to end. With the Tower and Ten of Swords, may ending. If it has something to do, kung ang energy na nakukuha mo kanina, nakaka-relate ka na this is a family member who wants to see you, I can see possible ending na may kinalaman sa family. Like with the Magician, I'm seeing an energy of someone from your family is hindi nagiging honest with regard sa kanyang health, no? So you have to know kung ang family member mo ba ito ay okay lang, kasi hindi siya nagiging honest. There's this health issues na itinatago niya. Malalaman mong ikaw to kasi minsan na niyang ginawa yun. Nagtago siya ng something sa kanyang health. No, maybe hindi niya sinabi na nananakit yung ganito niya, maybe sa iba niya pa sinabi, etc. Tsaka mo nalaman. So, ganun. If this has something to do with love, kung nakaka-relate ka sa love reading kanina, parang there's a person who wants to see you, wants to reconcile with you, I feel like this person is um, coming back. Kung ano man yung nag-end sa kanya, it is the lies. It is the thing na hindi niya masabi in the past. Maybe this person is, nagiging, lang siya wearing a false self mask sa connection ninyo. Hindi siya nagiging totoo sa sarili niya, sa connection ninyo, and this person will end that. Ayaw niya nang magsinungaling sa'yo. And this person will, come in here fast, mabilisan. I can see a family member na pwedeng makasama nitong person na ito while nagpapakita, or I can see some sort of visit sa'yo. But yeah, your person or this person, ikaw ang priority niya. Okay? And kung siya ay magta-travel, ang nasa isip niya, magta-travel siya because of you, hindi dahil sa ibang tao. And yeah, the Queen of Wands is here. This person, pagdating doon sa family, alam mo, bago-bago kasi yung energy. Pagdating doon sa family, you need to listen to this Queen of Wands. Maybe this is a friend, or a cousin, or someone na close nitong person na nasa malayo sa'yo. Kailangan mo makinig sa kanya. I can see this person telling you kung ano yung mga dapat mong marinig. Okay? So, maybe siya yung mag-reveal sa'yo kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman nitong person na nagtatago ng malaking sikreto sa'yo regarding sa health niya. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.